Hello guys, and welcome to my channel Rough Roads. Guys, today I am going towards Jebel Mebrah, or also known as Jebel Yibir. It's in a western range of HAJAR mountains. It's in Rasalkhaimah. For exact location you can check my video description, and I will show you some more points from where you have to take the turns, because on Google Map it's not showing exact location. And I saw some beautiful pictures on Google, so that's why I'm going there to check it out. So let's see, we will go there and we will check. So guys, till this location just follow the link, Google Map link, which is in my video description. You will come here on exact location. So I will go further now, I will move. Okay, stay tuned with me. Hello guys, this view is so amazing. It's beautiful view. Drive is a little bit tricky or hard, but it's okay. You can come in any car here because it's a beautiful road and the view is amazing guys. Hello guys and welcome back. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I tried my best to show you guys everything, but this area is quite big area. HAJAR mountains, beautiful. Drive, sunset, everything is so beautiful guys. So take care, like my videos, subscribe my channel. Bye bye.